The Honda Accord embodies a perfect balance of power, elegance, and sophistication. From the very first glance, it captivates with a bold, confident stance. The front grille stretches wide and low, framed by razor-sharp LED headlights that shine with precision. The hood is sculpted with crisp, athletic lines that guide your eyes along the sleek profile. Every curve flows with intention, from the fluid roofline to the strong shoulders that hint at strength and agility. The alloy wheels, intricately designed and perfectly proportioned, give the car a poised, dynamic presence. As light dances across the glossy paint finish, it reveals a depth and richness that feels truly premium. At the rear, the sharp LED taillights and subtle integrated spoiler create a signature look, refined yet unmistakably sporty. Step inside, and the Accord welcomes you into a cabin designed for both comfort and command. The seats are sculpted with perfect ergonomics, blending support with softness, wrapped in premium materials that feel as good as they look. The expansive dashboard flows seamlessly, anchored by a high-definition touchscreen that rises naturally within reach. The digital driver display is sharp and intuitive, putting vital information right where you need it. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, precise controls, and piano black accents give the cockpit a sense of modern luxury without losing its driver-focused soul. The cabin is quiet, cocooned from the outside world, yet alive with ambient lighting that enhances the mood. The infotainment responds instantly, connecting you to everything with elegant simplicity. Every button, every dial, feels deliberate, crafted to elevate the experience rather than distract from it. Press the start button and the Accord comes alive, the engine delivering smooth, confident power, ready for city streets or open highways. The drive is balanced, precise, and inspiring, a blend of refined comfort and dynamic performance. The Honda Accord isn't just a sedan, it's a statement of timeless design and progressive innovation, transforming every journey into something extraordinary.